This is the simplest way you can use to fix your beaded bag handle. Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for clicking on this video to watch. So today I share with you the simplest way in which you can use to fix your beaded bag handle. I have already shared with you how to make this plate bag, the simplest and new technique in which you can use to make your plate bag. Do well to check this video out. It's right there on my channel. So without wasting much of our time, let's dive into today's tutorial, and please give this video a thumbs up. So guys, this is the beaded bag handle. I have already shared a quick tutorial on how to make this. You can do well to check it out as well. Okay, so without wasting much of our time, let's fix the handle. Please do well to give this video a thumb up. Okay, so guys, this is the bag. Now let's fix the handle quickly. This is the line. Now insert one bead right here in the right hand line, one bead in the left hand line, one in the right, one in the left without crossing. Now this is the bead we inserted just now. So this line, both line we are going to cross. We have 1 2 3 4 5 right here. 1 2 1 2. So we are going to cross both line in the middle bead, the third bead, the middle one right here. So cross both line in it. The right one will go this way, and the left one this way, and then pull it so tight. Please pull it so tight. You know, this is the handle. Pull it so tight. Okay, so the next thing we are going to do now is my right hand line. I'm going to walk it through this 4 bead until it's returned back to its position. Do you understand? My right hand line, I'll walk it through the 4 bead, 1 2 3 4, until it returns back to its position. Remember, this is the handle and we have to secure it tightly. So do that. So after walking your line through the 4 beads, this is what you should have. Now watch closely, please watch closely. Now the next thing to do, now I'm going to insert one bead in the right hand line, one bead in the left hand line. This is it. Now the next thing to do, both line we are going to cross it in the middle bead of the handle, this middle bead right here. Work both line in it. Okay, this one like so, and the left hand line like so. So now this is it. Pull it so tight. Make sure it is tight. Make sure it is tight. Now repeat the same process. Work your right hand line through the 4 beads again until it comes out in its position. Do you understand? So guys, have a close look please. Now after passing it through the 4 beads, make sure it is so tight. Okay, this is the handle. That is why we are working the line through the bead times without number. Now both line, now your right hand line, walk it through this 2 bead right here, 1 1 2, and your left hand line, walk it through 1 2 until both line are coming out in this middle bead right here. Okay, so these are the lines. What I'm going to do now is my right hand line, I'll walk it through this bead like so, this bead right here, And my left hand line as well, I will walk you through this bead right here, like so. So these are the lines. These are the lines, okay, as you can see. Now, because both lines can fit in the middle bead again, it's so close. There's always a solution to something. Now, do this. My right hand line, I will walk you through the side bead here. My left hand line also into the side bead. I hope that is clear. I'm doing this because both lines can walk through the middle bead. Okay, now this right here, this right here. So this is what you should have. Okay, but if your line can fit in the middle bead, go ahead and walk past both lines through this middle bead. Okay, maybe you are using size 60 or 70, but this is size 80, so it's so thick. Now the next thing to do is to pass my line, both lines, through some bead until they both meet at a point, so as to knot it. So do that, walk your line through some bead, maybe to this point, this one also through some bead to this point until they both meet somewhere here, and then knot it. So as you can see, both lines are meeting at this point right here. So knot, after knotting, still pass your line through some bead and cut out the remaining lines. Okay, so guys, this is what your work should look like. We are done fixing this part, and this is how beautiful it is. Okay, this is the inward part. Don't know if you can see it. This is it. So what we did here, we are going to repeat it here also. So fix it and let's meet together. So guys, this is it. We had done making our beautiful bag. This is how it is looking like. Now let's just open the plastic that they used to cover it. So thank you all for watching my video. I appreciate you all so much. God bless you. So guys, we are done making our beautiful bag. Thank you all for watching. Please do well to give this video a thumb up, subscribe, and as well feel free to join the channel membership. Support me, okay? And this is it. This is what we have. And for the handle, you can choose to reduce it if it is too high. Okay, this is what my client wants. Okay, so you can choose to reduce it if you want. So thank you all, and I will see you all in my next video. Bye bye.